Hello WordPress bloggers, welcome to another WordPress tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to use WP Forms. It's a really popular plugin. It's got over 3 million active installations and a 5-star review. So let's check it out. I already installed it right here, WP Forms. This is what it looks like. Let's click on Add New. Okay, here's the setup. Enter in a form name. Let's do test 1. And we can start with a blank form or a simple contact form or a newsletter sign up form. And it's got also a suggestion form. And there are additional templates which you can purchase. But let's start out with a simple contact form. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And we can add in new form details, fields if you want. So let's check out, let's say numbers. Let's drag it over just like that. And if we click on it, we can add in the settings for this numbers field. Like let's do phone number. And if it's required, you can check the box here. It'll have this little star asterisk thing right here. Let's go back to add fields. So it's pretty simple layout, nice and easy, drag and drop. And let's check out checkboxes. And if we click on the checkboxes, we can enter in the label. And then we have some choices. Okay, just like that. So I made a best time to call, morning, daytime, evening. Okay, just like that. And you can add in more fields, or let's delete. So say you want to delete the phone number, you can just click on that, and here's the trash. So we can delete, and we can have another, let's do a paragraph down here. Let's click on that. Required, yes. Okay, once you're happy with your contact form or your web form here, let's click on the next thing, settings. You can basically leave it as default, and same thing with notification. If you want to change the email address to something else to notify you whenever somebody submits your form, you can do that here. And confirmation, or if you want to display a confirmation message, this is what it looks like as default. Okay, let's make sure to save. Okay, so in the next option right here, we have marketing. So these are the integrations with email marketing tools that you can use to capture the email addresses of people submitting your web form. So as default, only Constant Contact is available. You need to upgrade WP Forms to have other integrations. And the payments, if you want to accept payment from your visitors when they submit the form, if you're offering like a service or something and they fill out the information and then submit a payment, and again you need to upgrade for that. But other than that, if you want just a basic form where they can contact you or submit a form, the free version is perfectly fine. It does its job. And now to embed it to your page, click on the embed right there, and then just copy this. Let's go back to your WP admin. Let's add a new page. Okay, here in our new page, let's go ahead and paste in our shortcode here from WP Forms, and let's enter in a page title right there. Let's go ahead and publish. Okay, let's check out the page. And depending on your theme, it'll look different than what I have here in my demo site. But there is the form right there. Okay, it's got everything. And that's pretty much it. It will get sent to your email. Okay, that's how easy it is to create a form for your WordPress post or page. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.